Hello everyone, so this is chapter 2.2. The first definition is axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is a line that divides the parabola into two parts and one will be the mirror image of other. The line divides the parabola into mirror image and passes through the vertex. So this is axis of symmetry. And how it will look like? Suppose you have a parabola of this. This is the parabola. This is the vertex. And a line will pass through this. So this line is considered as a axis of symmetry. This is a axis of symmetry. Okay. Question says graph this, label the vertex and axis of symmetry. In the last lecture we learned how to identify the vertex. So vertex is this because the formula was y equals to a x minus x here plus k. In this scenario h and k is the vertex. As we compare with this equation, this is negative 3, 4. This is the vertex. So now what is axis of symmetry? As it passes through the x-axis, so the x value will be the axis of symmetry. X equals to negative 3 will be the axis of symmetry. If I have to draw the graph, I am taking the values x, y. If I put negative 3, this is 0, 4. At negative 3, answer is 4. If I put negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Negative 1 square is 1. 1 into negative 2, negative 2 plus 4 is 2. So if I choose positive, let's take negative 2. I choose negative 2. It's a 1, it's again 2. Let's draw it. It will be here. This is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Add negative 3, value is 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Add negative 4, it is 2. Add negative 2, 8. It's like this. Yeah. So at negative 2, it's 2 again. So connect it. Connect all of it. This is how the parabola will look like. And axis of symmetry is this line. X equals to negative 3 is the axis of symmetry. Okay. So this is done. Next we have properties of the graph of the function. This is a general quadratic function. If a is greater than 0 or if a is less than 0, is it possible a is 0? No. Why? Because if a is 0, this term will be gone. So this equation will be not a quadratic anymore. I want a quadratic. So a cannot be 0. What are the possibilities? Greater than 0 or less than 0. If it is greater than 0, the graph will be upward parabola. We will say graph is a upward parabola with the vertex. If I am saying the graph a is less than 0, the graph will be downward parabola. These are the main property. A is greater than 0, A is less than 0. And how to find vertex in this case? If the condition is already in the here, the equation was in the form of vertex. Here it's not a vertex form, it is a general standard form, or you can say the standard form of a quadratic equation. So in this case, h comma k is the vertex and h is equals to minus b over 2a and k is equals to function value at minus b over 2a. So minus b over 2a comma function value minus b over 2a is vertex either in this or in this. So basically this is used for this type of equation to calculate vertex. As you get the vertex, this will be your axis of symmetry. Okay. Next, graph this, label the vertex and axis of symmetry. First, I am going to calculate the vertex. This is A, this is B, and this is C. A is 3, B is negative 6, and C is 1. Minus B over 2A. Minus B over 2 times A. So answer is 1. H value is 1. So K is what? F of 1. 3, 1 square minus 6 times 1 plus 1. 3 minus 6 plus 1. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Done. So vertex is 1 comma negative 2 is the vertex. To draw the graph, I am taking some values. Left side of the vertex, right side of the vertex. At negative 1, at 1, it is negative 2. So I am substituting 2 and I will substitute 0. If I put 0, answer is 1. If I put 2, it will be 3, 4, 6 2s are 12 plus 1. It's also 1. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Add 0, answer is 1 to this point. Add 1, it is negative 2. This. Add 2, it is 1. So connect the 3 dots. This is the graph. The point is a vertex and this line is a axis of symmetry. Done. Next, maximum and minimum value. Vertex will be counted as a maximum or a minimum value. It depends upon your graph is an upward or a downward. Two types of graph, we know that. Either this or this. If the graph is downward, this is known as a downward parabola. This vertex will be the maximum value. Maximum. After that, this is down. This is down. So this vertex is maximum. In this case, it is a minimum value. Minimum. Because this goes up here, this goes up here. In a downward parabola, the vertex is a maximum value. In upward parabola, the vertex is a minimum value. This is the upward parabola. Question says find the minimum value or the maximum value. We have to check it's a maximum or minimum. What is A? A is a positive. A is half. B is negative 2. C is negative 1. As A is greater than 0, so graph is upward. In the graph upward parabola, we have a minimum value. So let's calculate HK. H is minus B over 2A. Minus 2, 2 times a half. It's cancel and 2. Substitute 2 in the function. Half, 2 2s are 4, 4 and negative 1. It's 2 minus 4 minus 1. So it will be negative 3 1. So I'm getting the vertex is 2 comma negative 3. 2 comma negative 3 is the vertex. Describe the domain and range. As we know the graph will be like this. At 2 it will be -3. So this is the minimum value. All the other value will be greater than this. So range is y greater than equals to -3. This is greater than this value. All values are greater than this. This is the minimum value. So all other values are greater than this. Domain. It has no problem at any point. So domain is all real numbers. All reals. Done. Okay. Then question says where it is increasing, where it is decreasing. It's very important. After this point, graph is going up. So function is increasing after 2. So 2 to infinity, it is increasing. Before 2 graph was going down. So negative infinity to 2 is decreasing. Is it easy? Alright. So next, properties of graph of this. What is that? This is known as a intercept form of a parabola. It's known as a intercept because we are provided with the two intercepts. The graph cuts the x-axis at point P at point Q. Graph may be like this, it may be like this. So I am considering this because we have to take general examples. So I am taking. How to find vertex in this case? The h value of the vertex will be P plus Q over 2. The h will be in exactly midpoint of this two. The vertex will be exactly here, the midpoint. And how to find the k? Substitute function. This p plus q by 2 in the function, you will get the k value. Everything remains same. This vertex will be maximum minima according to whatever we learn, and then increasing after this, decreasing after. Let's have an example. Graph this function, label x-intercept, vertex and axis of symmetry. What is the p value here? -3. What is the q value? 1. So what I am comparing? I am comparing with this. Comparing. You will get p is -3, q is 1. So h is -3 plus 1 over 2. We have to add and divide by 2. -2 by 2, it's -1. Substitute 1 in the function. -2, 1 plus 3. -1, -1. -2, 4, -4. So I'm getting the term is 4 to the 8 to the 16. 2 minus 2, -1, it's -2. It's -1. So this is -1. So it's 2. 2 to the 4 to the 8. Positive 8. So vertex is h comma k, and this is -1 comma 8 is the vertex. -1 comma 8 is the vertex. It is x-intercept. These two are the x-intercept, vertex, axis of symmetry. X equals to -1 is axis of symmetry. Mark the point. -3 here and 1 here. These are the two x-intercept. -1 comma 8, that's at the top. So the graph will be like this. This is how the graph looks like. And this is axis of symmetry. Done? This question solved. Next is, we have to identify the error. It says that the x-coordinate of the vertex. X-coordinate of the vertex means h value. H is minus b over 2a. What they are using? They are skipping the b. Minus. So it should be minus with this. Minus. So answer is negative. So correct x is -3. 34 question says The y-intercept of the graph is the value of c, which is 7. Y-intercept means when x 0. If I put x 0, this will be 0. X 0, this is 0. So what is left? Negative 7 left. So they are writing 7. So negative 7 is the correct answer. So we covered 2.2. I hope you understand up to this. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. And we will continue in the next class. Thanks for watching.